What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this kind of particular video we will give you the unboxing of my brand new Asus Zenbook 14 model UM425. Without further ado, let's get the video started. Okay guys, so the one that I got in front of you here is actually the latest Asus Zenbook 14, and the one that I got here is the pine gray color. As a note only guys, you can these laptops comes into two different colors. The first one is actually the pine gray as the one that I got here, and the second one is actually the lilac mist, which just looks like a silver, and this one looks like a black. So I bought this one for about 12 million rupiah yesterday, or if I convert it to US dollar, it will cost me approximately around 800 US dollar. So it's quite reasonable and also quite good deal for an ultrabook that actually comes from Asus. So the box itself guys, I can tell you no more that this box itself actually is quite good and also quite elegant and also quite looks so expensive. You got a gray color with the gold Asus Zenbook logo here on the right hand side and the back hand, left hand side, and the back side of the box you barely only got like normal information about the laptop itself. So as a note only guys, I've already opened the laptop and I just repacked all the stuff that I got straight out of the box so that I can actually tell you guys the experience on buying these laptops for the first time. So once we open the box, right, what we have here is a quite good kind of a mechanical lifting of the cardboard from the laptop itself, as you guys can see. And then here we got the tagline that the Asus inserts of incredible, and of course we got the unit itself, and this one is actually the pine gray color as I told you earlier, and it's actually quite slim. We will give you the review in another separated video, so stay tuned for the upcoming video. Let's just put the laptop aside. And what else we got straight out of the box? In here we got the just normal paperwork. Here is the receipt that I made a purchase yesterday. All right, as you guys can see, it's actually cost me 12 million. And then another thing is actually we got normal paperwork and the warranty card here. See that? All right, and another else that we have on the left hand side here is the charger. So guys, what's actually interesting from this laptop is that the charger comes within the USB Type-C port. As you guys can see here, it is actually the USB Type-C with a power adapter. So it's quite convenient because Type-C is just the same with your phone and also your tablet. So it's quite good to know that you have the same charger as your smartphone or tablets out there. And at the right hand side, we only got two items here. Let's just put the box aside, shall we? And the one that actually we got here, the first one is the dongle, which is actually from Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, because the laptop is so thin and also it doesn't have any kind of a 3.5 or the audio jack, so you got the dongle instead. And the second of all, we got the dongle from USB 3 to LAN or the Ethernet, as you can see here. So these two dongles plus paperwork plus the chargers and the unit itself, and I think it's done. Oh yeah, one last thing, we got the case. So we got the case guys, so we don't get a bag or sort of kind of a backpack, but what we got is the case. And the case actually looks quite good, as you guys can see, and the color is actually black with a quite good material and feels. It is actually quite good fabric with a semi-leather looks. You got the Asus embroidery here, and it actually fits perfectly with the laptop. So yeah, it's quite good. So basically what we got is the case, the dongles, the chargers, paperwork, and the unit itself. It's quite simple as it is actually an ultrabook. And yeah guys, so that's all. I think the things that you got straight out of the box when you purchase the Asus Zenbook 14 UM425. And don't forget to stay tuned on the upcoming videos, because we will make the overview and also the review of the laptop on the separate videos. So guys, if you like this kind of particle video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and also share, because it means a lot to me. And I'll see you all in the next video. See ya.